Day 12, back to strength. This one hits your posterior chain, arms, and deep core. Pay attention to tension. 20-min EMOM structure, same great format. 5 movements, 4 rounds. Movements. Today, 1. Hollow hold, lower back down, arms overhead. 2. Deadlifts, hip drive, strong lockout. 3. Tricep pushbacks, no elbow swing. 4. Air squats, depth with control. 5. Pike press, shoulders and triceps light up. Coach's notes. Hollow hold.
Constant tension. Reset if form fails. In pike press, shift your weight forward and aim your head toward the floor. Keep air squats rhythmic and tight. Add a steady playlist with a slight edge. Tempo matters. Smart WOD app makes it seamless. No counting, just moving. This is about precision. Don't just survive it. Own it.